All right, so wrapping up the afternoon here, beginning the next day's session, going into April 3rd. Tomorrow is Good Friday, so the market's going to be closing early tomorrow, but AMP did send out a notice that margins will be increased to 25% overnight because there will be some news coming out, so there could be some movement. So with that, I will be looking to get in some trades. So as you can see right here, we are in a short trade right here off of the 1 minute chart from that setup right there. With the S&P 500, so what we're looking for right here is movement back down to the top of that red box right there. And yep, so that's what I'm looking for, the S&P 500 going into tomorrow for that specific trade. There's a bigger one where we're looking at taking it to all the way down to this red box right down here from this trade right over here, but that I'm not looking at getting in that trade. This is the one right here based upon the 1 minute chart. See, from that box to that box, didn't hit it right there, never came back and hit the bottom rectangle, moved all the way up. Into the 1 minute chart, you can get a lot more movement outside of the 15 Fibonacci extension level over there, which we do, but this does seem to be somewhat of a sticking point right there. So, you know what, let's see here. We're just going ahead and go get in it right now. And hopefully sometime overnight session, there will be some bad news, and we will take it down over there. So that's the S&P 500. Going on to the Russell 2000. There is a what is it? A short trade right here. See that one? That one price came up, hit it right here, has not come down and hit this green line right here, which is the exit. So that is the trade it's currently in. Price does go up and hit the top of this red line, then the exit moves to the bottom of the box right there. But as of right now, the exit's down here. Now I'm not looking at getting into this trade right here. I always look for extreme over moves. So we're looking for like at least to the 10, if not to the 15 right there, but that'd be a long ways to go for it. And don't think it's going to go up there due to the SP 500. And let me show you the next one over here, the Dow Jones. That's currently in one as well. So I am going to go ahead and get in the Dow Jones as well right here. And we're taking it down to, I'll just put it right there. It's going to be the top of this. We can't really see it because there's a green box within a green box, but this is a move right here for the 1 minute chart for it. It was right here and right here. Let's see, price came up, almost hit the box, didn't quite. I did measure it. It was far enough away for it not to hit, and then went all the way up here for it. Even if I did say that was close enough, I would still get in this trade just because the Dow Jones moves in correlation with SP 500, and with the SP 500 being in a short setup right here. That's why I feel confident in taking this trade right here, and we'll take it down to, in fact, I need to put this on here. There we go. Take it down to somewhere at the top of the red box will be the exit for it. I'll just get out a little bit early right there. And then it is also in a longer term 5 minute short right here. You see there's the zone we're looking for right there. Came up, hit the bottom of the red box, never hit the green, hit the top of the, hit the top of the red box, and then we're looking for the exit down over there. So yeah, we have some good short setups in both the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. So if it doesn't go hit tomorrow, which wouldn't be a surprise, just to there being a short day with Good Friday tomorrow. Hopefully the news that comes out will push it back down, but if not, then we'll expect it to happen on Monday. Going over to the Russell 2000, there's another one right over here with the margins being 25%. I'm not going to get into it right there, but took a small little loss up here today. I was trying to get it in the day for a little weakness going up into it. You can see this is the setup we have right here. Here's that to that, came down, hit the green, then we're looking for it, hit the bottom of the red box, hit it right there, and then went up, hit the top of the red box, and then just continue going up. So then when price hits the 10, we move the exit to the top of the red box. So that's where we're at right now. And with this being the 1 minute chart, we do see more moves outside of the 15 level right here than we do on the 5 minute or 15 minute chart. So not a surprise for that, but we expect it to go down alongside with the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones for those trades. Then go up to oil. Oil was a wild ride today. It went up on the 5-minute chart based upon, where's the setup for it? This short setup right here. It's still going strong from right there to right there. Price hit the red, didn't hit the green, hit the top of the red, has not hit the bottom of the red. Then when the price, and I'll zoom out to 15 minutes so it's a little bit easier to see. Then when price went up, hit the 10, that moves the exit down here to the top over the red box right there. Came down close the other day, didn't quite hit it, went back up to the 10 in the overnight session due to the news that President Trump had regarding Iran. Then right off the 15 right here, there's been the resistance for it, and we had a solid movement come off of it when Iran came out and said they're working on some type of deal with whoever, I don't remember, about opening up the Strait of Hormuz. So that's was that. But then after that, that kind of fizzled away, and now price has been starting to move up over there. I would like to take it up here and short it again because I'm expecting it to come back down eventually to around the 95.50 area, right down there. Price is currently at 112.08 for it, but they have margins set at 100% for it right now. It's been that way ever since the Iran war kicked off, so not going to be able to take it right now. But since I'm in the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones for those short markets right there, hopefully those two pay off in the overnight session. If not, no big deal. Hopefully we do get at least some push down, but the prior liquidity will dry up pretty quickly, especially after the news comes out here tomorrow, because it is supposed to be here's what we have tomorrow going into it that they're expecting. There is a lot of news coming up for it. Average hourly earnings for employment change and unemployment rate. See, there's all the reds. Those are the high impact ones for right there. So then, it's supposed to close early tomorrow. So hopefully after this news comes out over there, I believe it closes an hour later than that. Hopefully news pushes down. We get some bad news, and that will be that. So anyways, take care. Thanks. Bye.